think it's great for everybody, and I think like the things you've done to like plan different rides for different levels.
It's great.
And the way they teach the classes, I think, is done in a very thoughtful way to enable everyone of all levels to learn.
This could be good for anybody. This can be good for if you've never wheeled, if you have no modifications to your vehicle whatsoever, if you're an experienced wheeler. There's definitely something for everybody here.
Something that you can learn and get from somebody else's experience and share your own knowledge. Every year it gets better and better. You meet more people, you have more experiences, you learn more stories.
Nothing else.
Anyway,
You get to hang out with a group of capable, badass women who are here to have a good time.
join, stay connected, come, experience, because it's